Why organic farming? I think the awareness of organic and natural farming is growing, although people sometimes do not know very precise reasons. It's not very far to seek. You see, this country was organic about 70 years back. There were no chemicals being used. For the first time, when the mass usage of fertilizers, pesticides, etc. were in 70s, when the green revolution was ushered in. At that point of time, it had a very strong rationale. We had just been through a massive famine. There was an urgent need for food security in the country, and we had to increase the yields per acre. So it was a very relevant thing and it had to be done. But somewhere along the line in last 50 years, we have veered too much in the usage of fertilizers, chemicals, pesticides, etc. Today the situation is grim. It is a crisis which is unfolding in front of our eyes, hidden in plain sight. Whether we like it or not, the day the farmers cannot grow adequate amount of food, which already is happening to millions of farmers, their despondency towards agriculture because of high input costs, because of low yields, because of all the problems that pesticides and fertilizers are bringing in, we are in serious trouble. At one level, this country, which has got 60% of its rural population engaged in agriculture, if they become despondent and they stop taking agriculture in their own major way, we are facing some real serious difficulties. Secondly, with a growing population, with increasing economic activity, we need high quality, healthy food on the table 3 times a day. So there is a need. Now, organic farming today is not a choice. It is almost a mandatory requirement. Organic farming does things at multiple levels. Number one, it restores the land. The fertility of the soil is restored. The usage of water is optimized. With good fertigation and water management techniques applied with right technologies, we can bring down the consumption of water in our farms by almost half or more. And most importantly, we can adopt very healthy food with low food miles. Food miles means how far is your food coming from. Nature never wanted us to take an apple which is coming from New Zealand sitting in Tamil Nadu. It is always organic farming's principle that you eat local food. And one of the other principles which is very important in organic farming is multi-cropping, where you grow many different types of vegetables, fruits and greens in the same area. Not only does it give you protection against massive pest attacks, but also there is a complementarity of plants and greens and fruits, which actually helps increasing the yield for the farmers. In our model, we have also added a dimension of staggered plantation so that throughout the year, the farmer is harvesting something or the other every single day and his economic engine is moving. Organic farming is here to stay. I'd read somewhere that no more than 2% of the vegetables available in the market are organic today in India. So there's a huge demand. From an economic point of view, from a business potential point of view, it is the right thing to do. It is a very high demand, high value thing. What is required is to match the demand in the consumption to the production by small farmers, which is what we are engaged in.